down, but I always had a plan to find another way. Look at me now, I'm a hustler living dream that I happen with. Yeah, I believe in it for sure. To not look down when I have on my crown.
Bully fam, what it do? TBK Wes back with another video. Yes sir, man. I figure, hey man, I got time. It's almost about that time, so let's turn it up. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, I'm chilling, man. I just cleaned up. You know what I mean? We in the TBK headquarters, you dig? And got my mails out right now. We got Landlord, Luke Rigno, Bluesant, and TBK Youngboy, man. I figure I'll just give y'all some updates on the camp when we guys come in and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Check these boys out. Louis right here. True, let me see if I can turn the lighting up when I edit this, man. But y'all see Landlord, I say he's about an inch taller than the Frenchies. Yes sir, yes sir. So let's get the day started, y'all. We starting it in here, man. So basically I did a reverse progesterone on mine yesterday, y'all, and it came out to be a 10. You know what I mean? A 10 is kind of high. You know, when you do a reverse progesterone, I was told by my vet that it should be like a 3 or less, but if I'm not mistaken, my vet uses the IDEX machine. You know what I'm saying? I use the Wanfo FinCare, so the numbers are a little higher. My buddy who goes to Brittmore Animal Hospital, they told him to come in and do a surgical at an 8. So you know, with the Wanfo FinCare, that's way too early, man. Way too early. With my machine, it says you should do surgicals at, you know, a 24, and I do AI anywhere from 19 to 24, 18 to 24. You know what I'm saying? So she's at a 10. So if an IDEX is a 3, a Wanfo FinCare is just like probably like 3-4 points a little higher. So because the reason why I definitely know that's true is because I got a C-section when I did a reverse progesterone, and it read as an 8. I think it read at a high 8, maybe just under 9. So based on my machine, you can go a little bit earlier. So today is Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so it's Saturday, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her another reverse progesterone today, man, and see how much we drop. You know, I'd say maybe like a 6 to a 7 is more safer based on my machine. Yeah, speaking of progesterone tests, y'all, I hit Cardi at a 17. With the 1AI, we got the seamanship from Brody, y'all. So I was pretty confident that she took, you know what I mean? But I don't know, man. We still on day 20 something, so I got time. I say a week after these, you know, like next, not this Wednesday coming up, but stop, man. I love eating anything. This next Wednesday, not this Wednesday coming up, but the one after. That is her day 40. So, man, sorry about that, y'all. This nigga Landlord distracting the hell out of me, man. Anyway, yeah, that's her day 40. So, as y'all know, day 40 is when your female should be showing, bro. She should be showing. But like I said, Cardi is the type of dog who shows early. Like her daughter Maya was showing at like day 30. You know what I mean? She was showing at 30 already, so that's how, that was consistent with her last litter, so I don't know. We still have to see, man. I'd say worst case scenario, Cardi may have a light litter. But yeah, man, we still praying on that. We still praying to the bully guys on that one, man, because definitely need Cardi to take, man, for real. And for those who are new to the channel, she is retired after this. Cardi is retired after this regardless, man. So that fluffy stud credit we got, we probably gonna use on one of these. Definitely not Effie, man, because I want to keep going with Effie as far as bringing out her bone and girth. So not Effie, but maybe Serena. Yeah, we might just go ahead and flex with the Merle Fluffy Carriers, you know, and then see if we can hit our daughter with a visible going like that, man. Also, a reminder, y'all, for you new to the channel, man, we did breed Cardi to a Fluffy already. That's why we have the stud credit she did not take. So we're supposed to have probably some visible Fluffies on the way by now. She did take, but, well, not on the way, because that was only 6 months ago, but we would have some, some Fluffy Carriers on getting ready to be bred. But unfortunately it didn't work out, so yeah, man. We're still working though, you dig? And we're sticking to it, we still at it, you know what I mean? See, young boy want all the smoke. Ain't nobody flexed on him yet. I'm just playing, man. But anyway, yeah, man, so that's that with Cardi, man. We bred her on 17. You know, I say that because a very slim chance, but there is still a chance that she possibly couldn't take, but you know what I mean, or didn't take. But we shall see. We shall see. I really need some Brody type bone and girth in my yard. You know, Cardi's already the foundation. If y'all didn't know, Cardi is this man's grandmother, her grandmother, her grandmother. You know what I'm saying? And she's the mother to Maya. Oh yeah, I'm tripping. Cardi is also Blue Sun's mom too, y'all. Y'all boys didn't even know that. Yeah. Cardi is Blue Sun's mom, man. So, you know, you see her blood is already sketched in stone into the history of the camp. So, if she don't take, then we're gonna go ahead and retire her, man. You know what I mean? It is what it is, bro. You know what I mean? We still got Miss Duce right here. Duce coming back in heat in October. Duce. It's my Bassiana Teflon daughter. Chocolate Try. Y'all know we just bred her. Still got her son in the house. He's turning out real nice, by the way. Young Danny Duncan. Yes, sir, man. But these two right here. Bro, look at Effie, bro. Look at that, bro. Look how fat she is, bro. Look at that. Real deal hog, bro. If y'all, I never really gave y'all some like super great footage of her mom. But, bro, her mom was already like a butterball, right? Her mom was Cardi's daughter. So for those of you, I think I said this already, Effie is bred from a Cardi daughter and a Cardi son. But anyway, bro, look, bro. How fat she is, bro. I don't think y'all understand, man. She is basically her mom reincarnated but a lot more compact, like way more compact. Yeah, man, and she doesn't carry black. You know what I mean? She does carry brindle. She doesn't carry piebald, and she doesn't carry black. But my boy, look at this beautiful, thick. You know what I mean? Like, y'all wondering why I want that Brody litter so bad. Bro, if I could breed a Brody son to this female, not only would those be like some monsters, super crazy dogs, right? But that would be a 3 times party, bro. 3 times party. I don't know why these dudes playing so rough. Let them play until they calm down. Y'all chill out, man. Chill out. What y'all got going, man? Happy to see each other. Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir. Effie is definitely, I'd say, gonna carry on tradition as far as her grandma, because she was just unbelievable, man. It's crazy. Look how thick that rear is. Look at that. Solid all the way through. She looked like she got a litter in it right now. Effie. Serena, listen. Effie be like, nah, bro, I'm playing. She's a real bulldog. Stubborn as hell. No, don't do that, young boy. Dang, bro, I'm trying to do a video. Young boy taking a dump. Hold it, son. Anyway, speaking of Serena, she definitely looked like she's swelling up in the back, bro. Like, she might be going through her first heat cycle, y'all. I'm not sure. But we'll see. Yeah, man, I'm not sure. It's looking like Serena might be swelling up. Y'all see that? We'll see. You really did take that dump. Hey, man, don't do that. Better not lick that boo-boo. Anyway. Yes, sir, man. Yeah, man, so, you know, just want to give y'all an update, man. Y'all see we still thugging it, man. We still working, man. We got young Maya in the crib ready to drop, man. We got goddamn Cardi in the house. Praying to the bully guys on her. Shit, what else? Oh yeah, man, I got another photo shoot booked tomorrow. Anxious to see what that dog look like. I love taking pictures, man. It's kind of tight, it's fun. I got plenty of pictures of my own dogs I haven't posted yet that I shot and edited and everything. It's just waiting on my litter, but it's fun, man. Can't wait to knock that out tomorrow, man. But if y'all interested in getting pictures for your dogs, if you in the H or if you ever come to the H and you want to knock it out real quick, you guys can contact me right here, man. I got a new number. Y'all check that out right here, man. So, you know, y'all watch my old videos, you might see the old number, but luckily you got the Instagram on there, and then you go to the Instagram, you'll see my new number on there. So, yes, sir, man. If you're interested in getting your dogs a photo shoot, man, y'all see the style of pictures I do. It's more like, you know, stud advertisement pics or female advertisement pics. It just helps, man, when you're trying to rehome the puppies, and it also helps when you're trying to promote your stud, man. So yeah, man, we might do the fluffy on Serena though. I don't know. That's just right now. Things change, man. You know, it's just like, you know, people get that stuff confused too, man. It's like a thin line between friendship and business. I'm here to tell you guys, man, I specialize in business, that things change in business, man. You know what I'm saying? People might say, be a man of your word. That's for when it's with your friends. That's your friendship. You know what I mean? But when it comes to business, things change, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's just the way it is. And you gotta be prepared for it, man. Nothing is set in stone when it comes to business, man. Because I hear that a lot. Like people say, you know, be a man of your word. Yeah, when it comes to friendship, that definitely can harm your friendship if you don't keep if you're not a man of your word. But that doesn't apply to business, man. So most people don't know business, so that's why you mix it. You know, you're not supposed to mix personal with business. I'm sure y'all heard that before, but that's just one example why right there. But anyway, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What I'm about to do now is I'm about to go in the house and give Maya her reverse progesterone. And I really need to, I'm gonna bring her out here and give her a bath also so she can be fresh and clean while she getting her C-section done. If y'all didn't know, I wash my pregnant females with Dial soap. And it's just, you know, it's harmless as far as chemical soap. Chemical soaps can like seep through your dog's skin and harm the puppies, if y'all didn't know, man. So you can also use oatmeal soap, you know, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm also give Layla another bath. Her eye is still flared up, y'all. Still ain't went down. We're still treating it, you know what I mean? I have not considered getting it cut out, so we're still working. We still, you know, letting her heal, do her thing. But yeah, man, based on what Maya's numbers say, bro, we might do the C-section tonight, man. Who knows? Because, like I said, man, with my machine, the numbers are just a T-bit higher than a 3. The IDEX is at a 3. So, if she pop up with a 6 or a 7, yeah, we're going tonight. Her nipples are already full of milk. I think it's one nipple with no milk in it, so. Yes, sir. But before I do that, let me clean up young boy's shit real quick. And I'm gonna put Landlord back in his cage. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all hold tight to the next scene, man. Let's get it. Alright, Bully fam. So what I'm gonna be doing is doing a reverse progesterone with Miss Maya right here. So what I gotta do is I gotta draw her blood, spin it down in a centrifuge, take the plasma off, put it on the regular progesterone strip, put it in the machine, and what we're doing is, like I said, in the garage, we're looking for results that are, I say, about 6, 7. So, yes sir, that's what I'm about to do right now. Let's get to it. I'm still not a pro with drawing the blood. I bring 2 syringes just in case. I like to keep a fresh syringe so I can see when the blood shoots right here on the tip. But Maya is a fairly easy dog to draw blood from, like as far as her veins and stuff. Like my partner Scooby came over here a couple of times and I always be struggling. But Duce was easy, you know. Bigger dogs are easier, they got bigger veins, but mainly I want to say keep your dog hydrated when you're drawing blood. You know what I'm saying? When your dog's not hydrated, you're gonna get blood clots. It's gonna be difficult for the blood to come through, man. So, yes sir, let's get it. Oh yeah, I use this as a tourniquet to make the vein pop out. It's a little fancy little tourniquet thing. Put it in like this, you squeeze. So you know, you don't have to buy this. You can buy the regular little tie, little flexible tie thing. But for me, I like to go into that left arm, y'all. You would think if you're right-handed, it's easier to go to the right arm because you can twist your arm to the left and the vein will be right next to your thumb. But I do better with the left arm, man. I don't know why. I am ambidextrous though. You feel me? That might explain it. All right, so you feeling for that vein? It's right here. I know y'all probably can't see. Let me see how close up. All right, like I was saying, yeah, the vein is right here. Let's see if I can get it on the first try. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Got the blood sample. So see it right here. Let's go spin her down and see what these levels are, man. Let's get it. Right away. Lighting's trash. Alright, so I was gonna record this, but let me get some light in here. Hold on, y'all. Alright, buddy fam. Here, so we wanna put 1 cc. Like so. Let me switch hands. So y'all can see it better. You want to put 1 cc. Like so. And for the spin down. And you also want to have one with water in it to even out the centrifuge. And we're going to do 2. I always do 2 or 3 samples because sometimes the plasma doesn't separate correctly. And you want to avoid having a pink sample. You want the sample to be nice and clear. Alright, so we got that spinning down. Let's do a quality control check on my machine. Quality control strip. Regardless if it's a reverse progesterone or a regular progesterone, you want to make sure that you always do a quality control test before. Says everything is normal, optical system normal, transmission normal, circuit system normal. I didn't even know this bad boy had a transmission. You want to let this spin down for at least, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. You know, depending how good it separates. It could take 5, could take 10 minutes. But like I said, you want to avoid that pink sample, man. You do not want a pink sample. Grab me a buffer. Good tip. Got a fresh pipette tip. What I always, since you got a lot of these, like if you try to pull the sample out, the plasma, and you know you get a little bit of blood in there, and you shoot it back down and respin it. I throw these away. I always keep a fresh one so no blood is tainted on the inside, man. It's just how I do it. Let's take a look real fast. It's probably only been like 2-3 minutes. Check, see if everything is separated correctly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna try to turn the lighting higher. But that is a great separation. That is super clear. Let me see the second sample. Yes, both samples super clear. They ready, man. Let's do it. So this is a progesterone test. You still need this, so I'm gonna open this. Since that sample is ready already. Just let that rest right there. Take our super clear sample. Look at that, man. That's perfect, y'all. This is how you want it every time. Clear as hell. Don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, super clear. All right, let's get it. Doing everything left-handed just for y'all. So we're going in. Change that pipe bed real fast, y'all. Oh, we got it. Y'all see that? It's in there. Now what you want to do is take your buffer. I'm not sure what this liquid is inside this buffer, y'all. Some type of clear liquid in there. Shoot your sample in there. Spin it in the vortex. That spin up. Take your sample, back out, bam, and get your test strip. Can y'all see that? Get your test strip and put it right on the test strip circle. Bam. Put it in your machine. Everything's set. Hit start. See that? It says 15 minutes, yo. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Hold tight, y'all. Let's get it. All right, Bully fam, we back. The results are in. Can y'all see that? 2.66 nanograms. So yes, we will be going to get that C-section from Maya today, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. And another quick announcement. After further speculation, after further analysis, Miss Serena is indeed in heat, y'all. Is in fact in heat. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, y'all. I'm gonna think about that. I got time to think, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this C-section out from mine. Y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Let's get to it. All right, Bully fam, before I go, I want to play this track real quick. This is the intro to all of my videos over time since I've been a YouTuber. I say about 10, 15 people spoke on it, asked me about it. And the last person was my boy Ojilla the Trapper over at Drip and Gold Kennels. This is me. This is a song I did like 10, I think I did this 2012, 11, something, 10 years ago. And it's featuring my boy JLA from Houston. He's an R&B singer, man. So I said I'd do it. So let me play it right quick. This is the full song to that intro song, y'all.
Everything around you when you're born to lose. Many accepted it, but mama didn't raise no fool. Didn't have a clue, but still I knew I was gonna get this loot. Just trying to find a way, blessed with hustles that I pursue. Made a few records and thought ain't nothing I read the tune. Getting flows in the finest clothes while I sip the food. Learn from watching all the players rap and tell me change my views. Make it move, 5 digit profits no less. And we don't call it success unless it's no stress. Regardless when the cash is low, I still knew I was king. I'ma hustle with the muscle till I manifest my dreams. No, I'ma find a way. I started down, but I always had a plan to find another way. Look at me now, I'm a hustler looking dream that I happen with. Yeah, I believe in it for sure. Till I look down when I have on my crown, on my views away. Knew I could never live my life stuck at a dead end job. I made a plan, put up the bread and put my faith in God. And still went hard regardless if only my squad applied. I beat the odds and set new goals to put control abroad. We learned the hard way, you can't make it if the hustle flawed. Got involved was either you can starve or you can hustle hard. Stacking up the pennies, sipping Henny when the Remy gone. Running till all of my youngers got hella Gucci on. Here we on, I came from ramen noodles and bologna. So for real business deals to healthy meals with the homies. We gon' find a way. Press the middle finger in a hater's face and smack 'em with slappers to show the game that we appreciate. I guess I never know how life is like without the booth. Knew I'd never make it up this far if I ain't had the truth. We in Fight Club, now I'm copping fours, white and blue. Guess you could say I came a long way from the one pair of shoes. I think I found a way. Down, but I always had a plan to find another way. Another way. Look at me now, I'm a hustler looking dream that I happen with. Yeah, I believe in it for sure. Till I look down when I have on my crown, on my views away.
Yes, sir. So there you have it, man. That song is called "Find a Way" by me. I go under Wild West. Well, I don't rap no more, y'all, but I used to go under Wild West, man. And my boy JLA, man, from Houston, man. I got about 200 different songs, y'all. I don't know why I picked that one. I just randomly picked it, man. Some might say I got songs way better than that, you know. It is what it is. Yeah, man. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Stay tuned to the next video, man. Let's check out these Maya pups, alright? Let's get it.